like the roof's like falling onto you. Okay, taking the nails out. Oh, there we are. So we are pulling out the fence posts around here. I'll go around there and show you what we're doing. Should go dump this on a pile over there. There's so much wood. Daddy's taking apart the old fences. And Eamon's taking the little bolts and out of that. Hey Eamon. Hey. Yeah. And then we're doing these fence posts at the moment. And these are the fence rails.
Oh, I got it. Broke.
Angel, you talking? Yeah. Say hi. Good girl. You're talking a lot, aren't you? Okay, so we have done all this now. The gate is off. Hi, Alfie. And we've done all that. Hi, Angel. Looking really good. So walking down the cattle ramp, well, yeah, that's the top. I'm walking this way through here. We've taken all these boards off so it looked like that, but we've taken them all off and go down here, taken all these off here, and those ones. That's how far we've got. Hi. Hey Lou. We've done all of them. Got all of them. He's watching us. Hey Alfie. Hi.
can just put music over it.
Yeah. Hi, Alfred. Alfie. Hey. Good boy.
Whoa.
We're almost done.
I actually got some.
For you. We're waiting for the angle grinding to finish, and then we can get to doing the posts and pulling them out. Hey guys! Look how nicely that grass is going back. And you know, I'm feeling we cut hay with it.
Yeah.
Looks really good, doesn't it? And then this grass is a little less. Well, this grass is pretty good in here. Then it gets a bit, yeah. Down that comes.
I actually think they're too joined me.
I'm gonna die there. In.
I actually think they're too joined because she came
Yeah.
out forwards.
I know, yeah. She goes in this wombat hole, and then comes out this one all the other way. This dolphin found something in the grass. Okay, can we kick it? We're gonna keep on demolishing the shed tomorrow, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, hope you guys can hear me. It's not too windy. Me and Elfie are here. We just did some work, demolished quite a bit of this structure. It was really fun. It's good because we're getting there. I'm doing overweight. And Mum did that over there. There's quite a lot of the shed taken down, so that's really good. Yeah? We happy, Alfred? What do you reckon? Yeah. You want to go down? Okay, you can go down. Bye. Oh no, okay. Yeah. So I know what I'll do. I'll take you guys and I'll show you what we did. The others have just left me here for a little while so that they've got to go do something in town and I'm just here waiting for them to pick me up. So I'll show you what we've done. Okay, so me and Caddison did all of this. We pulled all the railings over here. You can see that that's what they look like with the railings. There was 4 on them. So we took them all off. So there was a railing across here. You guys saw at the back. We did the back ones yesterday. We did these today. We did all up here. Hey, Alfie. And all down there too, along that bit. Took off some gates. Took off this gate too. Hey, Alfie. I'll go show you guys what Mum and Eamon did now. Okay, so I'm in this other part of the shed. This is super old and really rusty. In here, I'll show you what's in here. Okay, so in here we have a room. I don't know what it was used for, but look at that ceiling. This is all going, so this is actually going to be pretty much where the bedrooms are. Right here, so that's where it has to all go. So I'm standing probably in my bedroom. Okay, I'll show you guys what Mum did. Demolished this whole side. I'm not sure if we'll be keeping any of the timber. So, and all this tin, we might keep some to do an older kind of structure. This will all be down pretty soon. We've got a big bulldozer to take all this away. This concrete. What are you doing, Ashley? Hey. Hey. And yeah. Oh, this is all done too. All this cattle yard. And then obviously the bulldozer is coming to take those big stump things away. I will show you what is inside one of them, what connects it. Okay, so we found this old bit of concrete and this old one of the fence rails. We found it just there. And so Dad got the car and he dragged it out. this bit here is what you see above ground. So that is one of them. And then underneath that is just, that's my shoe compared to it. It's huge, gigantic bit of concrete. Apparently Dad says it's not mixed, like not the best quality concrete, so it should be okay to break up because there's a lot of stone and stuff in it, as you can see. But underneath it is this X kind of thing. And like, look at that, how hard is that going to be to get out of the ground? There's so many of them too. Oh, that's what Mum and Eamon did. It's pretty good, I reckon. That's what they've done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button because we'll upload new videos at least once a week. We will continue to show you the progress, and pretty soon hopefully we'll have our house up here and our farm and our dogs and our horses and all the animals.